Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, March 12, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 12, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 48.5 million pesos. And Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.